Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs based on environment and basic science. So, the first question is, which of the following are the components of photochemical smog? Option first, ozone, second, formaldehyde, third, peroxyacetyl nitrate, which is also known as PAN. So, select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So all these are the components of photochemical smoke. So you should also know about other type of smokes like London smoke. And what is smog? So you should know about that also. Smoke plus fog is smog. So what are the components of a smog and what are the types of smoke? There is one photochemical smog and other is London smog. So you should know about that also. And what are the differences between the London smog and photochemical smog? So likewise you can prepare about this topic, and this topic of pollution is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and under this theme pollution, this topic of photochemical smog, you can say topic of smog is very important. So you should prepare this topic holistically from standard sources. So let us now discuss question number second. Which of the following is or are greenhouse gases? First, water vapor. Second, carbon dioxide. Third, nitrous oxide. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 only. C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So water vapor, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, all these are greenhouse gases. So you should know what is greenhouse gas, what is greenhouse effect, what is global warming, what is the relationship between greenhouse effect and global warming. So there are other greenhouse gases also. So you can read about that other gases. So likewise you can also prepare about which is the major greenhouse gas which is found in higher amount. So likewise you can prepare this, and there is one pie chart that is related to greenhouse gases, that is also mentioned in NCERT book of class 12 biology. So you can refer that chart from that NCERT as well. Otherwise you can find that pie chart also in other books like Shankar IAS or any other environment and ecology book which you are reading for this civil service examinations. So here is question number 3. Consider the following statements with respect to oxides of carbon. First, carbon monoxide is produced as a result of the incomplete combustion of carbon. Second, carbon dioxide forms approximately 3% by volume of the atmosphere. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer of this question is option A, 1 only, while statement second is wrong. Because carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere by respiration, burning of fossil fuels for energy, and by decomposition of limestone during the manufacture of cement. It is also emitted during volcanic eruptions. Normally, it forms about 0.03% by volume of the atmosphere. Hence, second statement is not correct. So, this was all about question number 3. Let us now discuss question number 4. Consider the following statements with respect to ozone. First, tropospheric ozone is a greenhouse gas. Second, ozone in the stratosphere is a product of UV radiation acting on dioxygen molecules. Third, ozone is thermodynamically stable than oxygen. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 and 3 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 2 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 1 and 2 only. So both 1 and 2 statements are correct regarding ozone, while statement 3 is not correct because ozone is thermodynamically less stable, not more stable. So it is less stable than oxygen and decomposes into molecular, resulting in the liberation of heat. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. So, you should also know the types of ozone and which ozone is good ozone, which is bad ozone. And likewise, you can prepare about ozone topic as well. And you can also prepare about ozone layer depletion. So, this topic is very important from prelims as well as mains exam point of view, and it can also be asked in personality test that why ozone layer depletion is in news and why it is depleting nowadays. So likewise you can prepare about global warming and greenhouse effect as well. So this is also the associated topic. So here is the final question of this video, that is question number 5. Which of the following are the sources of nitrogen in an ecosystem? First, agricultural land. Second, fossil fuel. Third, livestock. Fourth, urban waste. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 4 only. B, 2, 3 and 4 only. C, 1, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can tell the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So agricultural land, fossil fuel, livestock and urban waste are the sources of nitrogen in an ecosystem. So you can prepare about other sources as well, like sources of phosphorus, calcium and other which are important in ecology and environment, especially in water resources. So this is usually asked in prelims examination. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you.